Today I represent you a new generation of new Z-008 in a 308 Winchester caliber. This is new generation of bolt action rifles, and I show you the most important things that we realized in this rifle. First of all, this is a system of quick changeable barrel, QCB system. Two screws lock out, and you pull barrel forward and change caliber from 308 Winchester to 260 Remington, 243 Winchester and other. Because the bolt face is similar for this caliber, and this make this rifle multi-caliber. Folding stock, adjustable stock, and also a solid Picatinny rail for optics, for night vision. Z-008 have upper and lower receiver with aluminium 75, and also we have a trigger like for Remington 700. Use on barrel with barrel nut, and bolt head lock out on barrel nut, and the main force is right here in this location, not on all upper receiver. Also we have muzzle brake with outside tread, and we can use like a muzzle brake, also a silencer. All parts from M16 M4 can be used on this rifle, like a pistol grip, stocks, magpul or other stocks. The basic of this bolt action rifle is R10. We use the receivers of R10, and also we can use magazines of R10. That makes a good logistic when you use sniper rifle and semi-automatic or automatic rifle.